Welcome to the Altair SimLab Learning Center. In this video you will learn how to set up the SimLab environment from the Preferences window and how to create ribbons to add your favorite tools. In the Preferences panel, select the Database under Application option. If you have just installed SimLab, Autosave option should be turned on. It is used to save the database at the specified time interval, and you can specify the location for saving the database. By default, database will be saved under Scratch directory. You can specify the number of backup database. Click on the drop-down menu to set the current display unit system for newly created database. Switch to the mouse page under Database. From there, select your preferred mouse settings option from the drop-down menu. Various mouse movement options, including those used in HyperWorks 14.x, HyperWorks 13.0, Pro-E, etc., are already defined in this option. Additionally, you can adjust the scale of zoom when scrolling using the zoom speed option. To optimize the meshing process in SimLab, it is recommended to switch to the General tab in the Mesh menu. This will allow you to specify the number of cores that can be utilized for the meshing process. To determine the maximum number of cores available for use, access the Task Manager and click on the Performance icon. It is important to note that utilizing multi-core meshing can significantly reduce the time required for meshing. Navigate to the Surface page located below General in the Mesh menu. By default, the Create Surface Mesh and Retain All Volumes toggles are enabled. To disable these toggles, simply turn them off when you need to. To enlarge the graphics area, simply drag the window to the left, right, or bottom of the screen. You may drag any window to the desired position. To hide a window, navigate to the View menu and uncheck the option that you do not wish to view, for example, the Python window. Click on the plus sign at the menu bar to create a new custom ribbon. Rename the custom page and open any of the other ribbons. Drag and drop the desired features to the custom page. Right-click on the name of the custom page and select to export as a XML file. Right-click on the new ribbon name once more and select the option to float. Manipulate the floating box to reposition it in a different location.